So the time has come and you're thinking about selling your home. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the things that you should do before you put your house on the market. So let's say you want to sell your home 3 months from now, 6 months from now, even a year. These steps will help guide you towards making sure that your home is ready when it's time to list your home. So, you're thinking about putting your home up for sale. There's a few items you want to take care of before listing your home. First, consider a pre-sale inspection. I highly suggest a pre-sale inspection for clients that haven't had routine maintenance or repairs. An inspector will be able to give you a good indication of the trouble areas that may stand out to buyers. Second, I want you to organize, clean, and declutter. And pack up your least used items. You can store items off-site or in boxes neatly arranged in your garage or if you have a basement. Third, locate warranties. I want you to gather up the warranties, the guarantees, and use your manuals for all of your appliances. Last but not least, start sprucing up the curb appeal. Walk out to the front of your home, close your eyes, and pretend you're a prospective buyer seeing the property for the first time. What's your first impression of the property? Do the lawn and bushes look neatly manicured? These are just a few things for you to get started on if you're thinking about selling your home in the near future. You can download our seller home prep checklist and seller's guide. The link is below. And I want to thank you for tuning into our first episode of the Seller Series. This is August Maier, your angel of real estate, making sure your transaction is seamless by always giving you loyalty, integrity, and professionalism. See you next time.